Hey guys, Jay here and welcome back to the channel. So we're doing some quick price analysis. It's going to be a very short video. I just want to get you guys up to speed today. The market is looking bullish and we could see an overall reaction in the market upwards, which means in LUNC, USTC, we're probably going to see that move upwards as well. Gold is still punching and pushing up as hard as ever. This is in an area of a new all-time high. You're definitely going to want to pay attention to gold. The total crypto market cap is still treading on that trend line. As I was saying, we're just moving through. This could be another impulse move up. We could see a bounce and we could see it come back down again. And we could just be seeing the same pattern playing out again as we consolidate and really the market begins to adjust around all of this news. BTC is looking pretty good, but as I've mentioned, we do have a possible inverse cup and handle playing out there. We are in that decider zone. Seeing that news coming out from Jerome Powell yesterday, that 50-minute speech is overly bullish for crypto. And this is because his main point is crypto being Bitcoin, being everything that's involved is going mainstream, and the next step is going to be that stablecoin act, the Genius stablecoin act that we've been speaking about heavily on the channel. So let's go over to LUNC, and we've been doing some technical analysis on this as well, and I've explained we've possibly got this descending triangle, this wedge, if you will, and it's either going to be a move downwards or we're going to see this triple bottom play out, and we've got three nice bounces just here setting this pattern up. So let's say BTC does do good today. Well, then you're going to be possibly looking for a break outside of this descending triangle, this falling wedge, however you want to relate to it. I personally think this could be a triple bottom and we are approaching the next cycle of this halving cycle, if you will. And I don't believe the market has given all it has to give for the specific reason that this halving cycle is like no other before. Broader main adoption is here. Keywords from Jerome Powell. But like I said, in the worst event that BTC does start to move downwards, then look for a break below this pattern. But what we're really going to want to see is it just tighten up, really tighten up as it creeps down into the very end of that, seeing some positive news, and then hopefully getting back into this area. This is what I call the hump zone at the moment, because essentially we were humping along this line. We were just moving very gently up and down, humping our way up like a green caterpillar, just moving gently. But then we saw that big move upwards. That led us to a massive move downwards. But it's not just us. This is the entire market that we're talking about. So like I said, essentially you're going to be looking for a big break above this pattern. You're going to be looking for a big push. You're going to be looking for BTC to invalidate this. You're going to want to see the total crypto market cap also move up. And most importantly right now, we want to see gold come back down, because if this thing keeps creeping up, if it keeps pushing up, more people will FOMO into gold. More people will start to believe that there is a crisis underway, that there's a recession coming, that there's instability on the horizon. If gold does start to creep back downwards, that would tell me and tell a lot of people inside the financial ecosystem that people are starting to get interested in volatile assets. They're moving to these more riskier plays. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And aside that, just stay safe. Don't forget to like, drop a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you in the next one.